DeeVee, your fish is too expensive. Bring the price down. It's too cost. This and that. See, this is the comment I get from some people in my comment section whenever I post my videos and how much I sell my fish. So what you guys don't understand is that the cost of production for fish farm is so expensive. It's very, very high. And we are not going to say that 20% ROI on your investment is too much. Now let's do the calculation together. For instance, if you want to get a kg of fresh catfish directly from the farmer, they are going to sell it for at the rate of 2,800 naira to 3,000 naira if you are getting it directly from the farmers. And no farmer want to sell their fish while they are at smoking size. You understand? But there are some marketers, the off-takers, that they go to the farm. They were during farmer harvest, so they will go to the farm to pack all their fish. So they will now separate the smoking size. That's how we source for our fish, because we go directly to the farmer. Because all these old folded catfish at the smoking size, farmer don't want to sell them because the return on investments will be very, very low, because catfish tend to grow faster so that they can convert more when they are adults, like when they are around 6 months, 5 months upward. You understand? That is when they are going to be rapid. So they don't want to sell their fish at that particular moment. So that left us to all these marketers. We go to them to source for the smoking size. So those marketers are selling per kg 3,500 naira. They are not selling less than 3,500 naira. Oh, and let me tell you one thing: catfish, a fresh catfish will lose 70% of his body weight while dried. When the fish is dry, it will lose 70% of his body weight. Now let's calculate it, because 4 kg of fresh fish will give you 1 kg of dry fish. Now let's calculate the cost. They are selling, remember, the off-takers, the marketers, they are selling 3,500 naira per kg. So 3,500 naira per kg times 4, that is 14,000 naira already. 14,000 naira already. So minus the transportation, the cost of production. So let's now add, okay, per kg of dry fish. Let's add production cost, transportation, and let's say production cost, at least 3,000 per kg plus 3,000. That will give us 17,000 naira already on production. So are we not going to say that getting 20% return on investment is too high? It is not, because catfish are expensive. It is expensive. Not like we are the one adding money. We the one that process it are the one in adding a lot of money. There are not much profit. You can ask farmers; they will tell you. Ask catfish farmer; they will tell you. Some people even run applause. That is what the people don't understand about this business. So are we not going to say that the cost of production and everything is 17,000 and I'm selling for 20,000 naira? Is it too much? It's not too much. 30,000 naira gain on 17,000 naira investment. You understand? And sometimes things can go south. Fish get burned sometimes. And all sort of this thing. You understand? So it is not expensive. And please do well to patronize us. Please support my business. It's not expensive. It's actually the most affordable fish you can get anywhere. My fish are the most affordable you can get anywhere. Some people said 23,500. So even said 20 above that. You understand? But I said 20,000 per kg. Please do well to patronize me. Thank you.